Kasa Kai Mandari.
Wagwan people, I'm Jyoti.
And I'm Yash.
And we're watching,
and you're watching
British Indian
Indian
Reacts.
Reacts. Come on. देख क्या मास्टर कर दिया हम लोग ने दूसरे ही टाइम में. Yes.
Voy a la playa y a subió la marea.
So इतना सारा प्यार हमें मिला है, you know, on our youngsters reaction, you know, from Pakistan. Oh my God, Pakistan से नहीं, India से भी. Like I didn't know India से भी fans थे youngsters के. Bro, come on. और दो videos हम लोग ने किए, what was it, Karachi Chal or Cali to Karachi, and both did not have their faces and it was just animation and like, you know,
both.
Yeah, both amazing. No doubt, both were amazing. But किसी ने नीचे comment किया था कि अगर, because you said, remember, I don't even know what they look like. So नीचे comment किया था लोगों ने कि, you know, react to Guman because it's a video and they're in it. So you are about to see both of their faces in this video. So let's go, Guman. Come on.
Okay, you're gonna have to tell me who's who.
I'll try because I don't know two for sure. So it's gonna be the public as usual. Watch with us, react with us, and let us know who's who. Come on.
Yep, let's go.
So this guy, I think, is Tala Anjum.
I've got to say, he looks a bit how I imagined him.
Really?
Yeah, like
you imagined him like that?
Tall and slim with a long hair.
Okay, maybe like that. What I'm gonna say is about their dressing. Like, okay, ये video के लिए शायद उसने ऐसे क्यों, I don't know how he dresses as usual, but I'm surprised to see like rapper वाले कपड़े नहीं, like, you know, the stereotypical, like, you know, caps and like, you know, flex. This is nice to see for once. I don't know what this song is about or anything, but it's just nice to see him as him for once. Like, you know, if he probably does do like, you know, rapper wali harkate in other songs, I don't know, but it's just nice to see them in the element, like, you know, just pure rap and just be themselves, you know, just like Divine, who I love. He's himself. Obviously he does flex, but he it's him. Wo aise hi hai, you know.
Okay.
And that's really good.
I was expecting a beard. Didn't they all three have a beard in that in the other animation video we're watching?
I think he's got a selfie, but the other one definitely has a beard, I think, from the animation which we saw.
Okay, let's carry on.
Wow. Oh, this scene is beautiful, man, just to see. Sorry, I'm pausing like really early just to appreciate the sheer beauty of this location. Yeah, exactly. It's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. Pakistan. बहुत, like, you know, the scene is so good. And even like India में, South में भी ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा locations हैं, scenic locations. India में भी. Wow, it's beautiful.
Could be Marine Drive.
Yeah, like Marine Drive.
माफी तलाफी की काफी पर आई काम नहीं जी आप वो लेती मेरा नाम नहीं. Pills pop, I let the weed smoke. Sometimes just talking does not make the pain go. तू ही आग, तू ही उस पे पड़ती बारिश. मैं वो खाली हवेली जिसकी तू अकेली वारिस. तू ही छाँव, तू ही धूप, रंगों के साथ रूप. तू जितनी खूबसूरत उससे कहीं ज्यादा दूर.
Oh, whoa. Hold on. I wasn't ready for this. It's like an emotional breakup song.
Yeah.
Seems like. Whoa.
I bet at the end it's not even about a girl.
Complete switch of the mood, you know. Anyway, what he's saying is like just beautiful. The metaphors, just beautiful. Wow.
मैं लिखना छोड़ दूं जो तेरे बारे, मैं कलम तोड़ दूं और तू स्याही में बसा रहे. हंसा रहे जमाने को खुद से परेशान. वो पढ़ती थी किताबें, मैं पढ़ता हूँ इंसान. इंसान भी क्या चीज है, एक में वफा नहीं और दूसरे को वफा की उम्मीद है.
इंसान भी क्या चीज है, एक में वफा नहीं और दूसरे में वफा की, I think he said उम्मीद है.
इंसान भी क्या चीज है, मैं कल गुजरा फिर उधर से तो याद आ गई चीजें. तेरा
Whoa.
नंबर नहीं है You left the city and you're gone बात करने को है बस ये माइक्रोफोन वही कागज वही कलम लहजे सख्त दिल नरम बदबख्त बस करो उदासी हर तरफ झूठे तेरे भरम किस बात पे तू बरहम पर हम क्यों अभी stuck like a jam on a one way but someday तू समझ जाएगी दूर होके हमसे
It just hit me. He just said, stuck like a jam on one way. There's never traffic jam on one way. Wow. Deep, mate. Come on.
कि हम में वो करार नहीं पहले वाली बात नहीं तुझे किया आजाद या दी है खुद को सजा लेकिन दिल के मोहल्ले में अब तेरा मकान नहीं आज फिर तू आई नहीं याद तेरी आई
दिल के मोहल्ले में तेरी जगह नहीं. Wow. That was good.
It's
That
like
was
शायरी,
really
right?
good. Yeah, it's like
Proper.
उर्दू लैंग्वेज ही इतनी मस्त है कि like you know just मजा आ जाता है एकदम.
Yeah.
Wow. Just you know it's just natural. Wow. Oh,
Yeah.
the sheer brilliance of writing is amazing.
Now is probably a good time to pick out the beat and the music. It's really good and it's really emotional.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, बहुत slow, calming down, and like you know, it's just going to say what he wants to say. Yeah.
आई थी बेवजह ही बेवफा से बेपनाह उम्मीद जो लगाई थी आज फिर तू एक गुमान आज फिर तू शायरी
Exactly. Look. He said, "Aaj tu ek gumane, aaj tu ek shairi," and you just said like you know, it seems like shairi.
So, yeah, it's like a shairi.
Yeah, exactly.
सोचा था तू आएगी तोड़ के वो रस्में सारी दुनिया की रिवायती पर God damn it girl आज फिर तू आई नहीं
But god damn it, girl.
याद तेरी आई थी
I like how he mixes a little bit of English.
बेवजह ही बेवफा से
Exactly.
बेपनाह उम्मीद जो लगाई थी
So this is Talha Yunus. This is the other guy,
Okay.
Ty, and he obviously, as you said, he's got beard.
राजी दिल तो रज़ामंदम क्यों नहीं
He's the one with the voice I like.
जरूर भैया
Do you like his voice?
इसको कहते हैं हम गुरूर नहीं दिले मगरूर तू भी खूब तो आराम देना सूद फिर I'm just a text away इतना भी दूर नहीं feels like yesterday सच का सबूत नहीं तू ही ज़वाल मेरा तू ही है उरूज ए लोगों से पूछे कलम लिखता झूठ
Hold on. He said Tuhi Uruj. What is Uruj?
I don't know what's Uruj. You're asking
Guys,
the
please
wrong
comment
person.
below. Yeah, guys, comment below what Tuhi Uruj. Oh, I was just like submerged. No, like Kun Faya Kun kabhi suna hai?
Yeah,
You just go into a
I
different.
love that track.
Yeah, and that's why I'm feeling with this one as well. Obviously, that is
Yeah.
like addressing to a higher spirit above you, like God. That's why you go into that state. But here, it's not about that. But still, I feel like the same vibes is like pure. And सब लोग बोलते हैं कि rapper लोग के पास ना emotion नहीं होते. In fact, it's directly proportional to rapper being emotional. क्योंकि उसके पास इतने emotions होते हैं ना, just to say it, and it's just beautiful to listen to what they have to say sometimes. Same like MC Stan had said, in Astaghfirullah. People say MC Stan's crazy, but that's not the case. He's got so much to say in Astaghfirullah.
Yeah, it's true.
And these guys as well, like in Guman, now I've realized, like, हम लोगों ने दो track को लोग के देखे, हाँ, they were like, flexing this and that. But this, look at his emotions. The guy's
Yeah,
got.
I think it's also because they have such a wide vocabulary that
Oh, yeah.
they
Comes only with
really
experience.
portray the emotions really well compared to
Yeah.
what someone like us two would every day. And
Yeah, exactly.
like easier for them to really dig deep. So I think
Yeah,
that's
just
why it makes
Just
it
write
special.
what they actually mean. Like, नॉर्मल लोगों की यही प्रॉब्लम होती है कि जो फील तो हम लोग सब कुछ कर लेते हैं बट हम लोग बयान नहीं कर पाते बयान नहीं कर पाते ये लोग कर सकते हैं that's the difference guys
झूठ नहीं गम देकर फिर दिला से कैसे मुंह पे तसल्लियां तो दुनिया में तमाशे कैसे हम आज भी कहते ना कोई रकीब ना अरीफ हम थे गरीब न जाने
रकीब ना अरीफ guys please comment below what does that mean हम थे गरीब I was too
काटी हैं वो रातें कैसे कलम छोड़ या कलम तोड़ा वजन तोल नहीं हजम शोर ये हजम खोज तू सुरंग खोद तराजू ही नहीं जो तोलेगा ये डजन बोल तू रकम सोच इन लफ्जों की आजा जख्म तोल इंसान भी क्या चीज है एक में वफा नहीं और दूसरे को वफा की उम्मीद है।
वफा की उम्मीद है।
इंसान भी क्या चीज है, झूठ की सजा नहीं तो तोहमतें लगाने पे यार ढील है। तू जैसे रहमत, तू ही हूर, तू ही नूर, कोई नूर, तू ही साया, तू ही धूप, तू फितूर, ये फतूर। तू इतनी खूबसूरत के मैं लिखने पे मजबूर, बादल सिराना क्योंकि दूर तूने तो आना नहीं। खुद कुछ जमाना ये एक गाना कोई फसाना नहीं, लेकिन
तू इतनी खूबसूरत, come on, just from there it just hit me different.
दूर तूने तो आना नहीं। खुद कुछ जमाना ये एक गाना कोई फसाना नहीं, लिख दे अफसाने तुझ पे लेकिन
आज फिर तू आई नहीं,
Come on,
याद तेरी आई थी,
very good.
बेवजह ही बेवफा से बेपनाह उम्मीद जो लगाई थी। आज फिर तू एक गुमान, आज फिर तू
God
शायरी,
damn.
सोचा था तू आएगी तोड़ के वो रस्में सारी दुनिया की रिवायती, but God damn it girl आज फिर तू आई नहीं, याद तेरी आई थी, बेवजह ही बेवफा से बेपनाह उम्मीद जो लगाई थी।
God, that scene was just different. Like, he was looking
Wow.
away from the camera.
Yeah,
He was just laying there on the boat. He was just looking away from the camera, and then
yeah.
he looked directly into the lens, and then it's like he's speaking to you.
Exactly, looking into your eyes and talking
Yeah,
to you.
it's like you can feel his emotions, man. That was a good scene.
At the end, there was something in Urdu, or I would say Arabic. I think it was Guman. I don't know, guys. Comment below. But this track hit me different, mate. I'm going to bed with a lot of emotions. I'm guessing now. Wow, कितना कुछ था इसमें. It
One to
had
add
the
to your
hook.
playlist.
Oh yeah, definitely. Like chilled vibe playlist for me. To be
Yeah.
honest. I would still class it as a chilled vibe for me, but yeah, it was deep. Someone who must have experienced that. Oh my days.
I'm sure there's a lot of broken hearts out there
Yeah,
that are listening
definitely,
to
like,
this track.
That's why, like, people like, oh, ispiri karo. Wow, Guman. Damn.
Beautiful. It was literally like a poem.
Yeah, it was a poem. Yeah. Guys, we will react to a few more because I am definitely enjoying Young Stunners.
I
And
am.
I'm just finding them to be more and more like, writing wise brilliant and creative and intelligent. And मुझे और सुनना है इनके गाने. I just want to know what they've delivered in the past.
Me too. So let us know. So please comment below. Let us know your choices and we shall hopefully look at them. That's it for today, guys. And we will see you next time. For now, please like, share, comment, and subscribe as the usual. And see you next time. Bye.